Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter of your Vauxhall Tigra. Open the car hood, and if you're standing in front of the car on the left side, there it is, the air box. Use a socket wrench with a nut and an extension to unscrew the board over there. Good job. Now you are able to extract the tube by pushing it back. Good job. Easy going. Now it's disassembled. Next step. Use a flat screwdriver and untighten all screws on top of your air box. These are 1, 2, 3, 4 screws which are protecting the air box. Yeah, rotate it anti-clockwise until all screws are released. Good job. Now you are able to lift up the air box cover and extract the air filter. It's a little bit tricky. Maybe we have to... Okay, that's enough. So, as you can see, this is the used air box filter. Now, clean a little bit, and then you are going to assemble the new air box filter. Take care, the orange side is the upper side, and the yellow side is the downside. So, let's push it back in position. Have a look before or for the orange rubber on top of your air filter. This has to match. Good job. So easy going. Now you have to reassemble the air box cover. On the back side there are some plastic pins, and this you have to push back in position. Now it's time to tighten the screws again. There are 4 screws on top of your airbox filter. Easy to tighten, as you can see. Use only a flat screwdriver for this. Good job. Or maybe it is. You can use a Phillips screwdriver too. As you like, okay? Good job. Now you have to reassemble the tube. Push it back inside the air box, inside the air box cover. Good job. And now use a socket wrench with the nut to tighten this board again to make a better fix. Yeah, good job. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.